Welcome to our guide on how to manage your Safari tabs. If you've opened a million tabs and need a fresh start, we'll show you how to close them all. Step 1. Open Safari. Our first example, launch the Safari app on your iPhone. Step 2. Press and hold the tab switcher icon. Locate the tab switch button. If it is a new generation iPhone and does not have a circular home button, swipe up from the bottom horizontal bar of the screen and hold. Or if you are using an older generation iPhone, you will need to press the round home button twice. Step 3. Select Swipe App tabs one by one. In the pop-up menu, select Close All Tabs. Step 4. Close tabs immediately. All your Safari tabs will close immediately. Next, we want to introduce to you the tab closing function on iPhone. This will help your iPhone become lighter and not overheat when running too many applications. In new iPhone generations, your iPhone will have to run a lot of hidden tabs. If you don't close the tab and leave it running with new apps you open, it will get very hot and consume a lot of battery. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos on the channel.